Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to deal with the nervous system. As you all know that this nervous system, it could be divided into two. One is the central nervous system and the other one is the peripheral nervous system. So this central nervous system, it includes the brain and spinal cord. And now coming to the peripheral nervous system. Actually, this central nervous system, it receives the information from the peripheral nervous system. So this brain and spinal cord, it works according to the information received from the peripheral nervous system. So this peripheral nervous system, it is mainly comprised of sensory and motor nerves. So this peripheral nervous system, it works by taking the information to and fro from the brain, right? So based on the components of the peripheral nervous system, that is the sensory and motor nerves, this peripheral nervous system could be further divided into two. One is the sensory peripheral nervous system and the other one is the motor peripheral nervous system. So this sensory peripheral nervous system, it takes information from all the peripheral organs and it takes the information from all the peripheral organs towards the central nervous system, that is either brain or the spinal cord, right? This motor peripheral nervous system, it takes information from the central nervous system and it distributes to the peripheral organs. It distributes the information to the peripheral organs. Once again I am repeating. So this nervous system, it is comprised of central nervous system as well as the peripheral nervous system. This central nervous system includes brain and spinal cord. So this functions by receiving the information from the peripheral nervous system. Then coming to the peripheral nervous system, it includes sensory and motor nerves. Based on this components of the peripheral nervous system, this could be further divided into two. One is the sensory peripheral nervous system and the other one is the motor peripheral nervous system. This sensory peripheral nervous system, it takes information from the peripheral organs towards the central nervous system. This motor peripheral nervous system, it receives the information from the central nervous system and it distributes to the affected organs like the muscles or the glands, right? First coming to the sensory peripheral nervous system. Actually this sensory peripheral nervous system, it carries the sensations from the peripheral organs to the central nervous system. And that sensations, it could be divided into special and general sensations. So as I already said, the sensations, it could be divided into special sensations and visceral sensations. Actually the special sensations is more specific, that is the sensations are generated particularly on that particular organ. And this visceral sensations, it can be generated anywhere on the body. So if I say examples for the special sensations, it would be more clear. So first one is vision. Hope you all know that the sensation is generated in our eyes. Then smell. Then taste. Then hearing. And then balance. Of course, smell, this sensation is generated in nose. So this is eyes, then this is nose, and this is on tongue. Of course, hearing and balance, these both sensations are generated in our ears, but hearing, it is restricted to cochlea. Whereas balance, it is by the vestibular apparatus. Then coming to the visceral sensations. This visceral sensations in turn, it could be divided into two again. One is the somatic sensations and the other is the visceral sensations generated in the visceral organs like stomach, urinary bladder, etc. Right? So this somatic sensations, it is mainly received from the skin and the locomotor organs. that is from the limbs, right? And as I already said, the visceral sensations, it is mainly elicited by the visceral organs like stomach, urinary bladder, etc. And the sensations may be dull pain or distension, etc. And another important thing I would like to mention is about the proprioception. All the sensations from the locomotory organs, that is the upper limb and lower limb, all the sensations from the locomotory organs to the central nervous system is called as the proprioception. Once again I am repeating, so proprioception is nothing but the sensations from the locomotory organ to the central nervous system, right? Actually, I said all the sensations from the locomotory organ. In that, particularly and specifically, the sense of position. So, this sense of position from the locomotory organ to the central nervous system, this is called as the proprioception. So that's all about the sensory peripheral nervous system. In the next video, we'll be dealing with the motor peripheral nervous system.